These guys, they have fun at work.
Huh? Oh yeah.
These guys have fun at work right here. Look at that. You don't see that at Weiss. Today is Sunday, it's Easter. Don't really know what we're going to be doing all day, but for right now, we're going to the beach. Right, Mom?
Yes.
Okay.
Right there. Yes.
Yes. Alright, so this is the beach on Easter. How'd they come out? Good?
I don't know.
So, we're out here taking selfies.
What was that selfie?
People looking at us. I don't care.
Nice, right?
Hmm?
Nice.
I mean, yeah. What do you do on the beach at Easter? Actually, you know what? I don't think that Easter has anything to do with it.
No.
Like,
I just wanted to do something untraditional.
We eat.
yeah, that's Easter. We're having a problem finding a place to eat. Like, we don't have reservations anywhere, and all these places are packed. So, yo, they just left their scooters here? They trust too much. Look at this spread. 1, 2 pizzas.
Oh, this is salad. Don't forget my salad.
What time is my food?
It's like lemon.
It's oregano.
That was good.
That was awesome.
It wasn't good?
Let's go para no. The food was good.
maçoneira, pá.
Yo, can you turn the copyright strike off?
Do you
Thanks.
want to go down or up?
I mean, we live up, so ideally we want to go up.
Okay.
Just go up.
Do you want to go to? You want to go to Sandy Hook?
Não tive sendo
I don't want to go to another beach.
No.
That's Sandy Hook, Maggie. Sandy Hook's the beach.
I said I don't want to go to another beach.
Oh,
What name did you ask me before, Danny?
English town.
English town. I just want to see where it is.
Why?
Because there's a raceway there where they do drifting.
They might be
Whoa.
going-
Actually, they might have
All
it
I've
today.
ever wanted to see.
You haven't lived until you smelled the cancerous fumes of a burning tire. I'm gonna focus in on your face. Look at me. Look at me.
Englishtown, New Jersey, 20
This is your
miles.
nostrils.
No, no.
40 miles from here.
What is?
Up or down?
What is?
Up, I guess.
What is it?
É, tem que ir para aquela. É perto de Filadélfia.
Is
Why?
it?
What is it?
It's by
Freehold, não?
past Freehold.
É south of us.
It's between Old Bridge and Cranberry Township. Yeah, but we can go there some other day, Danny.
Alright.
Then we can actually do something.
You can go
Like-
to New York.
Like drift the Kia. We can drift the Kia there.
Drift aqui.
You don't want to drift the Kia, Dad? Doesn't it need new tires anyway?
You know what this building
Guys,
looks
listen, this is the where we are right now. This
Porsche.
is the beach. Pretty much the first beach of.
Yes. You wanna go south more?
If you want to go south, more fun. If you want to go up, there's not gonna be much better beaches than this.
like? I want to go up. I don't want to go to another beach.
She doesn't wanna go to the beach, so where do you wanna
No, I don't want to go to another beach.
Period.
Do you want to go to?
Hi, Chris.
Hello, my
Hands
boy.
in there.
I do, so no.
I'm watching out.
Why you have
Why you
Because I do. I always have my camera.
Cousin's messages.
Because he doesn't know my number.
Your friend?
I didn't get numbers from her. I didn't get text.
She has the same number.
She has the same
I
number.
texted you and I was like, what is he doing?
Yo, Chris.
Yeah.
You ready for the best 5 days of your life?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's fun, Emma. Thanks, my dude.
Alright. There we go. We made it back home. Great day out today. Chris is here. Just wanted to take a little bit of the end of this vlog to apologize for Friday's vlog. I went to the auto show with one purpose: to get good footage for the second channel, for the first video of the second channel. And while editing the video, I was going over the footage, obviously, because I had to put it in the vlog. Can you turn that off? So, I put it in the description of that video, but I'm going to put it at the end of this video so you know. That's just going to be a vlog. It's going to stay a vlog. I'm going to use the footage for something else. I'm going to basically make, for the second channel, I'm going to be making a first video, like a maybe 3-minute, 4-minute video on, you know, what we're going to be doing on the channel. Things that I've done for Brad or for my own channel in the past, and obviously New York Auto Show stuff. Basically put a bunch of the stuff together. to music and explain to you guys what the new channel is about. So, yeah, that's basically it. Friday wasn't a complete fail, but it wasn't the way I intended it to be. And to be honest, there was a lot of factors. The footage didn't come out good because there was a lot of people opening the car doors and standing in front of the cars and inside the cars, and generally there was just not enough room to work. A lot of people don't get this, but like, it takes a little bit of room to kind of create. Like, you can't just, you know, just point a camera at something and expect the shot to be good. Right, Chris?
Yeah.
Lighting was another factor. It's weird lighting. You might think, oh, well, the lighting must be perfect. You know, it's professional lit. Not really. The lighting was ass. So, I don't know what we're going to do yet. That footage will be used. Don't worry, that wasn't a wasted day or anything. I want to say, every time I go to New York, I screw it up. This camera battery died. I had to film my phone, and we just didn't have a plan. So, I will probably be going to the city sometime soon. I'm determined to make a New York vlog look better than that. I mean, there's no excuse. It's the best city ever. So, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Chris is staying with us for the next couple days. He's on spring break. So we're gonna do some fun things, maybe with the drone.
I've actually never seen the drone fly.
Yeah. So that should be fun. Maybe we'll do a cool video with that. Like, thanks guys for watching. As always, I will see you tomorrow.
They do have a chocolate factory over there though, which somehow